BIOMAPS is an Horizon Europe project concerning bio-intelligent manufacturing of multifunctional bio-based polymer system. Do you know what vitrimers are? Vitrimers are a class of cross-linked polymers with dynamic covalent bonds that can undergo reversible chemical reactions, allowing them to combine the permanent structure and strength of thermosets with the reprocessability and recyclability of thermoplastics. At room temperature and below, vitrimers retain the main characteristics of thermosets: great thermomechanical stability, chemical resistance, advanced lightweight. These properties rely on the presence of dynamic covalent bonds, originating covalent adaptive networks (CANs), which can break and reform above a specific temperature. This way, beyond this temperature, the vitrimer network can rearrange, hence allowing the material to flow like a liquid. Below this temperature, the vitrimer behaves like a thermoset. As a consequence, the vitrimer can be repeatedly reshaped, reprocessed, and recycled, thus addressing the limitations of conventional thermosets. The ability to break and reform bonds also allows vitrimers to be self-healed and welded, similar to thermoplastics. It is worth highlighting that vitrimerized PHAs are suitable for being processed using the current available industrial processing technologies: extrusion, injection molding, calendaring, among others, without impacting on the production chain. The BIOMAPS project aims to develop a fully circular manufacturing value chain for bio-manufactured plastics. Vitrimeric polyhydroxyalkanoates, PHAs, a groundbreaking set of bio-based polyesters exhibiting mechanical recyclability, biodegradability, stability, and durability. For this purpose, modeling and AI-based tools are developed in BIOMAPS to speed up the adaptation of vitrimeric PHAs to replace their fossil-based counterparts in the European manufacturing industry. The BIOMAPS project consists of 4 main phases: synthesis of PHAs from bacterial sources, vitrimerization of the synthesized PHAs, overall characterization of the vitrimers, and assessment of the biodegradation and biosynthetic recycling. The BIOMAPS project is funded by the European Union and will last 3 years, during which 11 international academic and IDUS trial partners will be involved. We contribute to finding innovative approaches for controlling the processability of PHAs towards versatility and functionality, optimizing resource utilization, forming circular material loops, reducing manufacturing costs, and expanding the markets of biopolymers.